have more breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Mohsin Naqvi brought to his knees. We're given to understand, as per sources, the trophy chore finally gives in after apologizing. Pak's Mohsin Naqvi has returned India's cup. The trophy has been handed over to the UAE board. Remember, earlier there were reports suggesting Mohsin Naqvi has asked for Surya Kumar Yadav to personally meet him in Dubai to take the trophy from him. We're now given to understand that the cup has been returned, Asia Cup that India won. The Asia Cup 2025 winners will get their trophy finally, which has been handed over to the UAE board. Remember, India refused to take the Asia Cup 2025 trophy from Mohsin Naqvi, the Interior Minister of Pakistan. And that's the visual on your screens, the moment when that trophy was taken away from the ground. Karishma joins us with more details. We're given to understand Naqvi has given, finally, trophy has been handed over to the UAE board.
Well, yes, Swati, the trophy has been handed over to the UAE board, but we'll still have to wait and see if he lets the trophy come to India, because what the BCCI had told Mohsin Naqvi was the fact that you hand it over to the ACC office, keep the trophy in the ACC office, and from there the BCCI will get the trophy collected. But now he has left for Lahore and he has given the trophy for to the Emirates Cricket Board. And since he is the ACC president, even now we will have to wait and see what further instructions have been given to the Emirates Cricket Board, and does he allow the trophy to come to India or not as of now.
Are we also looking at some sort of an action against Naqvi, Karishma?
Well, Swati, there can be a lot of actions against Mohsin Naqvi once a formal complaint is filed or a formal protest is, filed against him, where there can be financial sanctions on him. There could be tournaments that could be taken away from his board, which is, of course, the Pakistan Cricket Board. But all will depend on what the complaint is against him and, when is it filed, and there needs to be a formal complaint/protest against him.
Right. And what are we picking up from your sources in BCCI?
Well, Swati, BCCI made it very, very clear yesterday in the ACC meeting that the trophy is ours. We are legitimate winners and we deserve the trophy. We've earned the trophy, and they're going to continue to follow this up until and unless the trophy comes back to India. Now, Mohsin Naqvi leaving for Lahore, so we don't really know if he's returned the trophy or he's kept it in the made ECB the safe guardian of that trophy. All of that needs to be figured out at this moment. But the BCCI has made it very, very clear that we are going to take this trophy from Mohsin Naqvi, whatever it takes, whether they have to do another meeting of the ACC or take it up in the November meeting of the ICC, when Mohsin Naqvi could also be removed because of his conduct. Everything is on the cards.
Absolutely. What we're also picking up is that there's a lot of furor in Pakistan as well over this issue. Not exactly the trophy issue, but the manner in which PCB is being run. And Mohsin Naqvi receiving a lot of flack for it.
Well, yes, absolutely. There were some reports about Shahid Afridi also taking on Mohsin Naqvi and saying that you cannot continue as the Interior Minister and also as the PCB chairman. In fact, Swati, interestingly, in the post-match conference after India had won the Asia Cup, one of the Pakistan journalists had asked Salman Ali Agha that, do you feel, whatever is happening off the field, this whole trophy controversy, it is hiding your bad cricket that you have played. So even the Pakistan journalist at that point in time knew that it is actually the bad crickets that's costing Pakistan the trophy and everything surrounding it. But their focus remains to be on what is happening in and around the field and not on the quality of cricket that they are playing. And Mohsin Naqvi also being the ACC and the PCB chair, not focusing on cricket but everything else that's surrounding it.
Absolutely. Now, on the display clearly was the inflated ego of Mohsin Naqvi. What's the inside story? How was Mohsin Naqvi brought to his knees?
Well, Swati, firstly, we broke in the morning itself that he apologized yesterday. He said that what shouldn't have happened had happened in Dubai. He apologizes for all of it. This, of course, included the way the behavior was with BCCI, with Surya Kumar Yadav as well at that point in time. And then, of because Mohsin Naqvi was asked to give the trophy back, give the
Right.
medals back, but his ego was bigger than the game, and the country that talks about sportsman spirit seems to have zero sportsman spirit in them.
Right. Karishma, please stay on with us. We have former cricketer Madan Lal joining us on the broadcast. Your first reaction. First came the apology, now the trophy.
Yeah, first reaction is they have to apologize because they wrong thing, But they were adamant not to apologize because once they had a meeting with the ACC council, then I think he must have decided that if I apologize, that's the best way to do it, But he cannot take the trophy back home in Lahore. He's supposed to give it to Indians.
It was a clear disregard for sporting standards, and for which I believe he's also facing a lot of flack and criticism back home in Pakistan. A lot of former cricketers, asking for him to step down.
Yeah, definitely. He should step down because, he's done a lot of wrong things. The Asia Cup was full of controversy. He didn't know what to say, when to say. All these things, he's not capable of that person. When you heading one of the biggest cricket board, PCB, then must know things, how I am going to behave, what the sort of the players are going to behave.
Right.
The PCB boss is a boss, Like we have a boss of BCCI. Nobody can go out of the line,
Well, there are some code of responsibilities and ceremonial protocols that Naqvi clearly wasn't following. Madan Lalji, thank you very much for speaking with us. Thank you to Karishma as well for getting us the details.